Hi. Welcome to MyGuru tutorial. I'll be focusing on how to use final assessment in MyGuru. Final assessment is a platform for upload final exam questions. After successful login to MyGuru, choose a course. In this example, I choose this biology course. In the biology course dashboard, look on the left menu and click the final assessment menu. There are two parts you need to fill in. Part 1. First you need to insert title. Insert description. Insert marks. Please click Save. Part 2. Two options are given. You can upload files or insert a link from Google Drive or other resources. Here I give example of uploading files. Select Files and click Go. Lastly, do not forget to click Update. Student submission status will display as below. That's all. Thank you for watching.